Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Sony's brand new Xperia 10 VII, the mid-range smartphone that's bringing some serious flagship vibes at a budget-friendly price. If you've been waiting for a phone that nails performance, battery life, and Sony's signature camera experience, this might be the one. The Xperia 10 VII sticks to Sony's classic tall and slim design, rocking a 6.1-inch OLED display with full HD plus resolution. It's perfect for one-handed use, binge-watching Netflix, or scrolling through social media. Plus, Sony continues to keep that cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, so movies look absolutely stunning. Under the hood, the Xperia 10 VII is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen series chip, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. This means smoother multitasking, better gaming performance, and more efficient battery use. And speaking of battery, this thing packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. Expect all-day use, no problem. Now, the real highlight, Sony's cameras. The Xperia 10 VII comes with a triple lens setup, including a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. With Sony's pro-grade image processing, you get crisp photos, natural colors, and excellent low-light shots. And yes, it still has features like steady-shot video stabilization that vloggers will love. So, should you buy the Xperia 10 VII? If you want a sleek design, a reliable camera system, long-lasting battery, and Sony's no-nonsense Android experience, this phone is a fantastic option. At its price point, it's a serious competitor to Samsung's A series and Google's Pixel 8a. Now, what do you guys think about the Xperia 10 VII? Is it a mid-range killer or just another Sony niche device? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech breakdowns.